Did you know that glass balustrade regulations have changed? That could mean that your project falls under a new standard and regulation. Buildings with glass balustrades stamped after May 2023 could be at risk of being non-compliant. This is when using products that were certified for the old standard. However, we have the solution for this. In line with the recent regulation changes, we're excited to announce our new product ranges that still keeps your balustrade looking fantastic and compliant. The National Construction Code NCC and Australian Standard AS 12882021 have introduced stricter safety requirements. The requirements are specifically linked to load force and some changes regarding suitable products at different heights. For installation above 5 metres, toughened laminate glass is now required. For installations below 5 metres, standard toughened glass can be used. However, you'll need 10mm glass for a semi-frameless system and 15mm glass for a frameless system to satisfy low rating requirements. The point in which the height begins being measured is known as the finished floor level. This is the lowest point at which your feet are on solid ground. From here, measurements are taken above or below this point to determine the height requirements for balustrade. Let's start with our semi-frameless glass balustrading system. This system features a robust fluted 50x50 aluminium slotted post with 75x30mm top rail. For installations below 5 metres, our system uses the existing standard of 10mm toughened glass. For installations above 5 metres, our system features 11.52mm toughened laminate glass for increased load bearing capacity. Now let's discuss our frameless glass balustrade system. Our frameless system includes a deluxe 45x60mm stainless steel spigot with a 100x100 base plate. This pairs with our 30x21 slimline stainless nano rail. For installations below 5 metres, our system uses 15mm toughened glass. For installations above 5 metres, our frameless system takes up to 17.52mm toughened laminate glass. However, this is project dependent. Most importantly, make sure your current installer knows about the change in regulations, or take the stress out of compliance and reach out to our team. Whatever your project requirements are, we have you covered with fully compliant products and systems that look amazing. Explore our range and see how Croc Manufacturing can elevate your projects. Visit our website for more details, and remember, for all your balustrading info, keep it locked on Croc.